Have you ever found yourself thinking over and over about a small issue or something which has happened in the past or something which is going to happen in the future? It is your mind trying to keep you in a safer mode, in a calmer state. But the irony is, the same mind which is trying to keep you in a safer and calmer mode is the same one which is putting you in an anxious mode. Say for example, you have texted someone and the other person have not replied you back. Then your mind starts thinking, oh, maybe I have sent something wrong, or maybe the other person no longer wants to talk to me. So these are the thoughts or stories that your mind starts building up, and you start overthinking on it. So this means that there might be a similar scenario which has happened in your previous past experiences. It may be in your childhood life, or it may be in the early adulthood life, which has affected you so deeply, but you have not given the space to heal that particular emotion. So that particular emotion now shows up again when another scenario, similar scenario, arises in your life. So the best way to deal with this overthinking is, whenever you catch yourself overthinking, pause a bit and ask yourself whether this overthinking is occurring because of this particular scenario, or it is occurring because of something which has happened in my past life. Only then you will bring to awareness that this scenario is not, this overthinking is not because of this scenario, but it is happening because of something which has happened in my previous experiences. So hope this video helped you, and do pass on this video to whoever needs this video.